What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to create a vector out of your image. I have this image and as you can see it's on good quality, but if I zoom in I'm gonna lost the quality, okay? And this is quite problematic. First thing, you need to upload the image on Canva, so go to Canva, review the left sidebar of menus, click on upload, select your image and apply this on the design. After, review the left sidebar of menus on Canva and go to apps. On apps, you're gonna type Vectorize, just like this, okay? This with the dog icon, click on it, then select the image and you can use the black and white style, up to you, or the full color. I prefer the full color option. Click on Convert Vector. And now, before we finish, we can select a couple of extra colors, in the case that we wish to play with the colors. There is some colors to play with, or you can keep original. You can change the number of colors, in the case that you want. You can simplify the vector, for example, making looks more simpler or more detailed. Up to you. I prefer the more simple style. You can customize the colors in the case that you wish, and every single color can be customized. And after having the design in the way that I wish, click on save. You can delete, and if you go to uploads now, here is your new vector ready to use and with full quality, okay? And it is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.